Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to resolve an Amazon seller support issue. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll cover how to effectively resolve an issue with Amazon seller support. If you encounter any problems or need assistance with your seller account, knowing how to navigate and address these issues efficiently is crucial. First, let's start with accessing seller support. Log into your Seller Central account and click on the Help button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the Seller Central Help page. Here you'll find various resources and options for contacting seller support. Select the category that best matches your problem to ensure you're directed to the right support team. Categories may include account issues, listings, payments, and more. Next, choose the specific issue you're facing from the list provided. Amazon will offer various solutions or FAQs related to your issue. If none of these answers resolve your problem, you can proceed to contact seller support directly. You'll have the option to reach out via email, phone, or chat, depending on your preference and the urgency of the issue. When contacting seller support, provide a detailed description of your issue, including any relevant order numbers, account details, or screenshots if applicable. The more information you provide, the better seller support can assist you. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email or Seller Central notifications for updates from seller support. They may reach out for additional information or provide a solution. Make sure to respond promptly to any follow-up questions to resolve your issue efficiently. In summary, resolving issues with Amazon seller support involves accessing the Help section in Seller Central, selecting the appropriate category, and providing detailed information about your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.